Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So in this video I am here with the new script of SEO Tools website. So this is the latest version script of Cyber Tools, and it is a SEO Tools website which has 50 plus SEO tools. So by using this website script you can create your own website of SEO Tools. If you want to buy the script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script, and you can also join our Telegram channel for our latest updates. And the advantage you will get of buying this from us is we will give you its free installation. So let's start this video, and first of all I will give you the demo of this home page of this website, and then we will see how we can control this website from admin panel. And it is completely controllable. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. So first of all, you can see the amazing look of its homepage. You can change everything from admin panel. Here you can search any SEO tool you want, and here you can see the utilities SEO tools, website checker, user agent finder, my IP, ping, URL shortener, and let me show you. So this is a URL shortener tool. Here you will paste the link and it will shorten the link. So all the SEO tools are completely working. Here is QR code reader, HTTP header parser, and some other YouTube thumbnail downloader, email validator, redirect checker. These are the utility SEO tools. So these are the converted tools, and RGB to hexa, hexa to RGB, and text to binary, binary to text, and all of these are the conversion SEO tools. You can see right them, JPG to PNG, JPG to web. So these are the basically images tools, and all were completely working. And here are the security tools. Here is password generator, password strength tester, MD5 generator, MD5 generator, SHA generator, bicrypt generator. So these are basically the security generator tools, and here are the content generators, word count, lorem, text generator, text separator, and these are all the URL extractor, SEO tags generator, and Twitter tag generator, HTML entity encoding, and all of these SEO tools are completely working. And here you can see all of them right here. And here are the domains SEO tools. So you can see the domain generator, domain WHOIS finder, IP to host name, and these are all the URL parser, domain DNS. And so by using this script you will get all these tools completely working in the website. You just need to install the script and the website will similarly looks like this. And you can also change these text and images from the website completely. So now here are some pages. There is about page, and you can change all the details of about page from admin panel. Here is a privacy policy. You can change it from admin. Here is blog page. You can also insert the blogs on this website, and you can use it as a blogging site as well. And here user can contact with the admin of this site. So this is a contact page, and the amazing function is that you can also use it in dark mode. So this is the dark mode. You can enable or disable from here. So you can see the dark mode, and it's completely very amazing looking website. Now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how we can control this site from admin panel. So here after the URL you have to type the admin. Sorry for this, and let me just clear it. So here you can see that our admin has opened successfully. It is opened because we are already logged in. So let me click on here sign out, and when I click on sign out it will log me out. So here to log into admin you must have to enter your email address or your password. So I am entering my details to log in. So after entering the details, when I click on sign in, it will log me into my admin panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our admin panel. So first of all, on dashboard you can see your total views of your website or SEO tools, and total uses of SEO tools. You can see all of them from here. Here you can see your website checker. It is the most popular tool, and here you can see the amount of pages on the website, and here you can see your total users of different SEO tools. So you can see all the users in that's directly in front of these SEO tools. and you can see those users, and here you can sign out, or you can see the cyber tools. So let's go to general settings. So when I go to general setting, from here you can change the title of the site. Here you can change the text on your home page, and you can see all other text or keywords. Here you can see the reserved word, copyright text. You can change the logo of this website, and you can insert your own logo from here, and you just have to select the logo and you can easily insert a new logo. Here you can turn on off light theme, and here you can manage some other settings of this website from here, and these are different tools. And so from SMTP and email settings, you can manage all the SMTP and email settings. So you can manage the emails of this website from here, and from web tool setting you can manage the tools that are on your website. So these are all the tools, utility tools and other tools, and you can set them up from here. So from here you can manage all the SEO tools, and let's go to the tools option, and here you can generate the site maps, you can generate site links, destroy other tools, and from here you can manage clear cache and other things from here. Here you can insert the ads on your website. So from here you can insert ads and change banner settings and some other settings of the site. And from language settings, basically you can insert any language you want. You can change English language to any your local language. From here you can easily insert a new language. From manage SaaS feature, you can also use this as software as a service, and you can insert a subscription over the tools from here. So here you can manage all the SaaS related activities. So these are the tool page settings. You can manage the tool page settings from here, and here are the tools. Slug, you can change the permalinks of those tools. From blog posts, basically you can insert the new blogs. So if you want to insert a blog on the website, you just click on new blog, and you can easily insert a new blog from here. So this is how you can insert blogs. And from pages, you can manage the pages on the site. You can delete them, you can edit them, whatever you want to do with the pages, you can do it from here. From manage users, you can manage the user on the site. Here you can insert a new user of your website, and you can give authority to different admins or different employees from here. So these are the account option. You can change your profile, admin, passport, etc. So viewers, in this video I guided you completely about this SEO tools, websites, and it's a cyber SEO tools. So if you want to buy the script, do contact us on WhatsApp, and we will provide you this script on a very reasonable price. And if you want us to build this complete site for you, we also build the complete websites. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, Script Smasher.